Today I'm going to show you how to take a canvas painting and turn it into a psychedelic print. We are now here in the Art Studio app for iPhone. I'm going to select this. The first thing I want to do is isolate the planet. Alright, once the planet is selected, I'm going to go to the menu, go select, inverse. Now everything else is selected. We're going to go to adjust. We're going to go hue, saturation. And we're going to bring up the saturation. Move our image here. Now we can pick new colors this way. And I kind of like that color. Okay, so we're going to apply that. And we're going to come back. We're going to do it again. Doing this will give us brighter colors. Since we're here, we can take a look and see if any of those other colors look better. That's kind of interesting. But we're just going to keep it where it was. Okay. Now we're going to go to filter. We're going to go blur. Let's try a radial blur. We're going to preview. That looks pretty cool. Let's apply it, and let's go back to adjust. We're going to look at the curves, and let's see what kind of I'm not sure I like any of them, so we're going to cancel. I'm not really liking that blur, so we're going to go back. We're going to try a different one. Let's go filter, blur. Let's go motion blur, preview. Okay, that was not enough to make a difference, so we're going to adjust. Motion blur works best on the planet versus the background. So we're going to cancel. Let's go back and look at the other options. Let's take a look at noise. Preview. Sometimes that can be cool. We're going to apply that, and I'm going to add the blur. We're going to do, let's check out the zoom blur. That's kind of cool. Okay, so we'll go with the zoom blur. Apply. Now we're going to go back to select, inverse. Now we're going to adjust the planet separately. I kind of like the dull, so we're going to leave it dull for a minute and just see the different colors. Not sure I like any of them. Let's look at this. Some very interesting options. Okay, we're going to apply that. We're going to come back to filter. Going to add noise. And we're going to apply. We're going to filter again. Blur, radial blur. That's pretty interesting. We're going to apply and we're going to get out of this. So this is what we got. It's got some interesting depth to it. This is just an example, so I'm going to add my signature here. going to put this box. I'm going to go over to these dots, click on that, come over, I'm going to choose this one, bring it all the way up, darken it, pick our colors, pick red, some red at the bottom, some orange at the top. Go back to the box. I'm gonna make a smaller box. Go back to the dots. Pick new color. We're gonna go gray. Before we do that, I'm gonna go to adjust, hue and saturation, pump it up, and change the profile. There we go. Apply. Add some gray to it, and add some red. Okay, then we go to the pencil. I'm gonna go with the green. I'm gonna zoom in. And there's my signature. Go back here. Okay, then we take this, go to File, go to Export, Export JPEG. Then we go to Photos, go here, and we edit. We're gonna crop it. Obviously, if you have a better image, it's better. But you can crop it however you want. There we go, and there's our image.